Great Ocean Road, 12 Apostles. Here we come.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere you go. Jingle bell time is a swell.
Three, two, one. One more time, please. Go. Go. I'm sorry. Sorry. Go. I'm really sorry. I'm just kidding, guys, because I have like 20 different good shots, you know? You know, I love these kind of pictures, you know? You got a Eiffel Tower like that, you know, or like this. Or how it is called, tower in Pisa. Yeah, you know, like this, because it's like on the side. Love those pictures. Follow me on Facebook and on Instagram for not these kind of pictures as Martin the Vlogger. Why moving so much?
Because here's a lot of these small flying animals.
You mean flies?
Yes.
Are they bothering you?
A little bit. We would like to have this apostol packet and one tartar sauce, please. Fish and chips on the beach with flies. Perfect.
So we are in Port Campbell on the Great Ocean Road. We did London Bridge. We did many stops. Actually, it's like American trip, right? Like you go in a car for 300-500 meters, then you stop on the parking lot, you go out, sit in the car, see different thing. But what did you like the most? We haven't seen Apostles yet.
It was not the last stop, but the one before the last stop. I forgot the name.
London Bridge.
London Bridge, yeah. This was my favorite so far.
Mine too. Not going there. No way. What was that? Arch, the Lork Arch, George,
Something
Lork.
like
Something like that. Look at this. Nope. What is the most annoying thing apart from a lot of tourists?
Flies.
Flies everywhere. Are you ready for 12 Apostles?
I think so.
Okay. Let me see your reaction.
Wow, it's nice.
It's nice.
It's nice.
but
Nothing like compared to what we see previously. I think it's nothing like stunning, but it's nice. It's beautiful.
I'll tell you something later. So the experience about Great Ocean Road and 12 Apostles, it's over. We are already in Melbourne. We did roughly around 1,000 kilometers in a car, and here are our thoughts basically. So what did you like?
I like the beach at the George Arc where you were jumping,
Yeah, beautiful photos.
and Port Campbell, very cute city.
Yeah, that was awesome to have a snack there. Great fish and chips, by the way.
Yeah, and a little beach where you can have a picnic.
Yeah, I mean, the 12 Apostles, I've been there like 10 years ago. It was not that crowded at all. And these days, the Great Ocean Road is actually really great. It's a nice experience to drive there. I'm a petrol head, so I have to mention it. When there were no cars, I was able to get maximum out of the small Toyota Corolla. But yeah, in general, for me as well, the bridge, the London Bridge, and the beach. Otherwise, it's too many tourists and you have to find your own spots. Guys, if you like what I do, or if you like what now we do, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button, hit the like button or dislike, do whatever. But most importantly, remember, always have fun. Czy za tak na nasz kaisz?